Muhammad Ali used to say what? I'm the greatest. Right? When I met him in Riyadh, Alzheimer's had already set in, and he had difficulty speaking, but slowly he could speak. He said to me, you know, the best thing that ever happened to me was Alzheimer's. Yeah. If that hadn't happened to me, I would have gone to my grave thinking I was the greatest, which is shirk. Allah humbled me. I was not the greatest. He humbled me. So at that time, he told me that he used to do the da'wah by preparing brochures on Islam the night before any events that he was invited to. Of course, these events were usually filled with non-Muslims. So he would spend the night before or 2 days before just signing these brochures, which were explaining what is Islam, what is prayer in Islam, fasting in Islam, whatever. He would sign very slowly. Maybe it would take him 5 minutes for every brochure, but he would just take his time and sign them. Because he knew that these, at the end of his event, these would be distributed. They would be given signed brochures by Muhammad Ali. People would treasure that. Maybe they weren't interested in Islam. Mostly they weren't. But still they would take the brochure home with his signature, and maybe they might say, well, what is this about anyway? You know, and start to read it. He kept doing that da'wah until he died. May Allah bless him, give him paradise, forgive his sins.